Hey guys! Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are comparing investments with gambling. Let's get into the topic. Investment and gambling are two distinct activities that involve risking money in the hope of gaining a financial return. But they differ significantly in terms of their objectives, strategies, and risk management. Here's a breakdown of the key differences between investment and gambling. Objective. Investment. The primary goal of investing is to generate wealth over the long term by purchasing assets that are expected to appreciate in value, generate income, e.g., dividends or interest, or both. Investors aim to build wealth gradually and often have specific financial goals, such as retirement or buying a home. Gambling. Gambling is typically focused on short-term gains through games of chance, where the outcome is largely unpredictable. The primary objective is to win money, often with little regard for long-term financial planning or wealth accumulation. Risk. Investment. Investments come with various degrees of risk, but they are typically made with the intention of managing and minimizing risk. Investors often conduct research, diversify their portfolios, and employ risk mitigation strategies to protect their capital. Gambling. Gambling inherently involves a higher level of risk and uncertainty. Most gambling activities are based on luck, and the odds are usually stacked against the player. While there may be some skill involved in certain games like poker or sports betting, luck remains a significant factor. Time horizon. Investment. Investors typically have a long-term perspective and are willing to hold assets for an extended period to ride out market fluctuations. They may use strategies like dollar-cost averaging to benefit from market volatility over time. Gambling. Gambling is often associated with short-term outcomes, and many gamblers are looking for quick wins or entertainment in the moment. There is less emphasis on the long term when gambling. Knowledge and skill. Investment. Successful investing often requires a solid understanding of financial markets, analysis of assets, and the ability to make informed decisions. While there are risks, investors can use their knowledge to make calculated choices. Gambling. While there may be skill involved in certain forms of gambling, many gambling activities rely heavily on chance. Luck plays a more prominent role in determining outcomes. Regulation and legality. Investment. Investment markets are typically highly regulated to protect investors and ensure fair and transparent trading practices. Gambling. Gambling is regulated as well, but the extent of regulation varies by jurisdiction and the type of gambling activity. Some forms of gambling may be subject to stricter regulations than others. Social and psychological factors. Investment. Investing is often seen as a socially responsible way to grow wealth and support economic growth. It's generally viewed more favorably by society. Gambling. Gambling can carry a social stigma and may be associated with addiction and negative financial consequences when not done responsibly. In summary, while both investment and gambling involve financial risk, the key differences lie in their objectives, strategies, risk management, and societal perceptions. Investments are generally considered a more prudent and responsible way to build wealth over the long term, while gambling is often seen as a form of entertainment with a higher level of risk and unpredictability. It's essential for individuals to understand these distinctions and make informed decisions about how they choose to allocate their money. FAQ section. What is the main difference between investment and gambling? The primary difference is in their objectives. Investment aims to grow wealth over the long term by purchasing assets expected to appreciate or generate income, while gambling focuses on short-term gains through games of chance or skill, often with little regard for long-term financial goals. How do risk levels compare between investment and gambling? Investments come with varying degrees of risk but are generally made with risk management in mind. In contrast, gambling carries a higher level of inherent risk due to the element of chance in most activities. Are there time horizon differences between the two? Yes, there are. Investors typically have a long-term perspective, holding assets for years or even decades. Gamblers often seek short-term gains or entertainment, with less emphasis on the long term. Is knowledge and skill important in both investment and gambling? Knowledge and skill play a significant role in investment decisions, as informed choices can help manage risk and enhance returns. In gambling, while some games involve skill, e.g., poker, many rely heavily on luck. How are these activities regulated? Investment markets are highly regulated to protect investors and ensure fair trading practices. Gambling is also regulated, but the extent and type of regulation vary by jurisdiction and the form of gambling. What are the societal and psychological factors associated with investment and gambling? Investments are generally viewed more favorably by society as a responsible way to build wealth and support economic growth. In contrast, gambling can carry a social stigma and may be associated with addiction and negative financial consequences when not done responsibly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for